champions, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through the practical breakdown of running your Instagram to millions. Yes, so many of you, I don't want to hear anything like NSQ, I don't know how to run my Instagram, or I don't even know how to post. That app is just art. No, it has to end now. I mean, it has to end finally. I don't want to hear it at all. Instead, you're going to be cashing out massively on this app. That is the goal of this video. So let's get right into Instagram. So this is my Instagram. I'm going to be walking you through everything that I've discussed earlier, but in a more practical way. So the first thing I told you is that you need to understand your brand first before you even open an Instagram account. You need to understand your brand. I want to show you something when it comes to opening an Instagram account. So let's say you want to open another Instagram account, you want to create a new account. So in case you don't even have Instagram at all, just head to Play Store, download, or App Store, download Instagram, and you just click on create an account. So when you click on create an account, or if you have an Instagram before but it is not for business, don't use it for business. So don't go and change it to business account. Or create something new for your business, because people that are following you on that account, they are probably your families and friends that are not interested in what you are selling. So you'll not be having engagement, you'll be having low visibility. So instead, leave that one for them as your personal page. Build your personal brand on it. Create a new business page for your business only. So now let's assume that the name of this page is Guru Maraji. So you have to click on next. It said it's already existing. So that's why you need to be very, very intentional about your business name. Before you pick a business name, come and search on Instagram if it is available. If somebody else is already using it, don't bother to use it. Don't go write on this island 01. Have you Funky Collections 20? No, it is very, very wrong. It means that you're not unique. You don't have a unique brand. So you have to run. So even if it takes you a long time for you to come up with it, which is not supposed to take you a long time. I was strategizing with my mom here yesterday to pick a business name for her, and we did it even that same yesterday. So it can be easy for you as well. You can also use AI to help you out based on the goal you have for that business. So we're already taking too much time on that. So when you click on next, to show you something like this, but make sure that you don't click on continue, because it means that account will be linked together with the same password, which is very, very wrong. That means if anything happens to one account, the second account will also go with it. They will both disable together. You know, Instagram can disable your account based on different reasons. Do you know the modesty bill is already disabled? I have to create a new account for it, which I'm still like thinking about how to go about. So, but what I'm trying to say in essence is that assuming it was connected with another social media, that means it have gone together. So that means, do you understand? So it should not be connected. Just create a new password instead and put the password. I'm doing this because of people that are completely new to Instagram marketing. So you put your password, something that you can remember, something that, so when you put it, you go and keep it somewhere so that in case you want to log in next time, you can always have it. But we'll not go there, we'll not go far, we'll just stop there. I want to show you the process. That's all. So now let's get right into Instagram. This is Instagram, right? So I told you a lot of things about Instagram marketing inside the theoretical aspect, which is very explanatory enough, right? But I want to show you the practical a little bit so that you will be able to understand even better. So I said, know what your brand wants to do before you come to Instagram. Like now, when you check my bio, what can you see? I said I turn businesses into empires. Are you ready to say goodbye to playing small? I'm your guy. So I'm telling you that I help businesses not to play small, to become big, right? It is very clear and straightforward. It's a very clear and straightforward message, right? So you need to have a clear and straightforward message. In your bio, we carry what you want, what you have to offer, and we also must see it on your page as well. So when you come to your bio, you must not be saying something like I sell shoes, bags. No, you have to make sure that you write very well. So, and you write what you want to help with, what your brand wants to help your audience with. So let's say you are into laundry, for instance, and your own goal is to help people save time and be able to do other things in their life while being still very clean. So you can say something like I help you save time and energy to carry out more productive aspect of your day-to-day activities by cleaning your dresses or making your laundry to perfection. So then you put something that is what you do, right? Then you put something like maybe people that you have helped, something that would position you as an authority, something like helped over 5,000 individuals do this. So if you also help companies, you can also put it, or an award-winning laundry brand, something that will make people like think highly of you. And the next thing is that I told you Instagram is big on presentation, on aesthetics, that your page has to look nice, has to be well presentable, right? So you can see when you go to my page, you see that everything you're seeing purple and yellow, you're not seeing green, red, and right, because I want my page to be looking nice and coordinated. So you have to be intentional about what you are putting on your page. Some people, when I told them that they should go and post the graphic design session on their story, they went to go and post it on their page, and they don't even post it very well. They went to go and just post like that. Instagram is not like that. Your page is going to be looking rough, to look unattractive. You can see I was trying to post this yesterday. Normally I could have just posted this particular one like that on my page, and my page would be looking odd. But what did I do instead? I first of all created a background that has my brand color and this picture. I'll show you how to use it. It's only available on iPhone anyways. So before I now put my pasted what I wanted to paste, and then I'll put the caption on it. That is how you run Instagram, because Instagram does not like rough things. It will not be looking nice and appealing. Do you understand? So like, I wanted to show you one particular brand. This brand, she's not somebody that will do everything, come and sharp. When you go to her page, you will know that this is the font she uses. You cannot see her using another font. Anytime I see this font on my page, I know that this is her. I know it is her. It can either be this color, or it should be black and white, or she should use pink. She's not considered with a particular color, but I think she's considered with orange, white, and black, or pink, as you can see on her page. So you see, so she's not very, very intentional enough with that thing, but the font is always the same. So imagine she's using different font on her page. It will look very, very rough. Do you understand? So you have to be intentional about the fonts that you use. It may not be like package like a design, but it should be consistent. Do you understand? Then the next thing is, I told you I was going to take you through some back end stuff that you need to do. So when it comes to Instagram, there are some things that you need to do that if you don't do it, anything can happen to your account. Your setup must be very well done. So I think that's the reason why the modesty bill account got disabled. I didn't really calmly do the setup. I just rushed to paste the account that time, and I forgot to actually go back to it. I don't know, these Instagram people, they are very, it does not talk. We're still on Instagram. So now we'll go to account center. So what did I click? Click on these three lines here. This thing at the top right corner. Once you click it, it will take you here. So you have a lot of things here. But what I want to do here is to go to my account center, because this is your powerhouse where many things happen, right? So I'm also going to go to my profile. You will see everything on your profile. That's your Instagram and Facebook. You should be connected. You should be connected. So then you can go to your, okay, let's not go there yet. Let's first of all go to edit profile. Edit profile. So under this edit profile, this name is your page name. It's not even allowing me to edit. Yeah, probably because I am verified. I cannot edit my name anyhow again, right? So your page name, your username. Your username is your business name, and your page name is the things that you want people to search for when they are looking for you. That you know people are going to be searching for. Maybe if it is on this, if it is catering, if it is anything you know that they will search for. If you're into digital products too, write the kind of product you would sell. So if it is article writing, coach, something like, what are your customers going to be searching for? That's what you should put there. Do you understand? So then your pronouns, then your bio, then your link in bio. So this link in bio is basically the links you want people to click when they come to your bio. It can either be your WhatsApp link or a link tree. So I'm going to show you how to create a link tree and also a tap link. So those links is what people can easily use to connect with you beyond just your WhatsApp link. So because WhatsApp link is actually old fashioned, except maybe you are focusing on a particular, maybe you're selling a particular offer and you want them to come to your WhatsApp, then you can use WhatsApp link. So you can either use your website, your link tree, which is where you can put multiple links, or WhatsApp link. So now the next is this profile information. This one is very, very important. So you want to listen attentively. So now this profile information, make sure that your page is connected. Your Facebook page is connected to your Instagram. Your Facebook page, so that when you're posting here, it automatically posts to your Facebook page as well. You don't have to post it and go to your Facebook page and post. Page is different from profile though. Page is where you are normally like your business page where you can use to run ads. While your profile is your personal profile where you post and get visibility, which we're still going to be talking about. Then this category is what you want to be categorized at. Then this contact option, make sure that everything is detailed. That's it. And then this display content, if it means that you want it to be on your page, people can easily click on it. So you tick it that yes, you want it to be on your page. Put your location. If you have a physical store, make sure that your location is complete, so people can click on it, can take them to Google Map, and they can easily locate you very fast. It also helps you to increase your trust score. So put your location, put your address, your phone number, and your WhatsApp number. If it's different from your phone number, put it there as well. Then your Gmail. So then after that, then this one, personal information setting. This profile displays just like you want them to see your category, which is the coach. So there are different categories. There is coach, there is digital products, there is product or service, there is entrepreneur. So depending on you, you can put anyone that relates to what you're selling. So then this personal information setting is also very important, right? So it is very important. You have to put your date of birth. So it has to relate, and then you have to do your identity confirmation as well. If you don't do these things, I think these are the things I not do with the honesty view. I'm telling you now that I'm bringing you to this back, and this video is already getting long, but these things are very important for you to know and do to not tamper with Instagram or Allah. Do you understand? So your contact info is intact. Then your date of birth should also be intact, right? It should be correct based on what you have on your NIN. Do you understand? The identity confirmation also must be intact. So you can do it on Facebook as well. You can see that it is confirmed. So do you understand? Then there is password and security. This is also very important that you do your two-factor authentication. So if you want to change your password, you can change your password here. Then you must do your two-factor authentication. So because if you don't do it, Instagram may disable your account, because anybody can just log into your account anyhow because they have your password. But if you have two-factor authentication, even if they have your password, if you don't access them, they cannot log into your account. So you click on your Instagram and then you put, maybe you want them to send you a code on WhatsApp and they will send it to you. You input it and that will be it. So then the next is where you are logged in. You can check where you are logged in. You are logged in on multiple devices. In case somebody else is logged into your Instagram, you can easily know and remove those people and be the only one. Or if you have multiple phones too, you can be able to see. I can see the place I'm logged in. I'm only logged in 3 places. Do you understand? So then login alerts. If you want them to be sending you login alerts through how do you want them to send it to you? Email, in-app notifications. So you want them to send you through okay, this one is just recent emails. So this is login alerts. So you can click here. If you want them to send it through maybe only email, you can put it. If you don't want them to send it in your app, you can untick it. So but that is that about that. So I think that is all about this back end settings. It has to be well done to avoid issues with Instagram. So also in this place you can do a lot of setup, right? You can check your activity, things that you have done on Instagram, the posts that you have liked. In case you went to like the wrong post, you can easily unlike it. Where you have commented, where you are tagged, you can also easily see it. You can also easily see maybe where you are, I think this is where you are tagged, right? So you can also easily see things that you deleted recently. So if you did something recently, you can easily like re-upload it within 30 days. After 30 days, you cannot upload it again. You can see the content you shared. You can see the time that you are spending on Instagram. So many things you can see here. So you can show you, okay, you spent just 30 minutes on Saturday, 1 hour on Sunday, 30 minutes Tuesday, 14 minutes. You can see easily where you can also set your daily limit. If you don't want to spend too much time, you want them to be notifying you maybe after you spend a particular time. So there are many things you can do. You can download your information. That is everything on your page. You can download it somewhere. So you can also see what you shared on your post, so you can easily see all those things. There are many settings here. I don't want to be going into much detail so that we don't skip here. But if you want to know more, you can easily go to YouTube and go and set all the settings and be learning everything. Because this class is not for you to learn all the settings, for you to really make millions on Instagram. All these ones are just like formalities so that you don't cross the boundaries of Instagram. If you sell products that are maybe all these branded products, you have to also be careful. You are covering the name of those brands so that Instagram does not see it. You must not type the name of the brand in your caption so that they will not capture it and come for your account. You have to be very, very careful if you sell branded products. Do you understand? So don't use foul languages on your Instagram. They are very particular about that. You have to be careful. Don't go and be saying wrong things. You go and say some things. If you say it, they may just like do something to your account or just note your account, then this media quality too, you can also click it. I don't even know if it's not here. So I try to like some things it's not always very quality on my Android when I open it on my Android like my iPhone. So you should increase it here. And when you post something, it can be high quality. It can be what? High quality. So when you click here, it will be high quality. Because if you don't click it like that, when you post, if it is quality before, it will reduce the quality. So my iPhone, when I post something on Instagram, the quality is always increasing, not decreasing. So you can also check your account status here if you have offended Instagram. So if you have offended Instagram, they will let you know under your account status. You can see if your account is not affected at the moment. You can see everything that you can see everything that you may be doing wrong, everything. So you can always go through them one by one. So you must have your profile picture nice, good looking, attractive. It can either be your logo. Don't do your logo by yourself. Don't give your logo to a quack designer. So if you cannot afford to make a logo yet, you can either use a professional picture or a very nice view of your product. So like now, if you sell perfumes, you can hold your perfumes, go to the studio, take a nice picture. You can wear a t-shirt of your brand. So a t-shirt of your brand, something like that, something that will try to be compelling enough to make people trust you and even connect with you very well immediately they meet your brand. This is getting too long. I don't like my videos to be too long, so I'm going to see you in the next.